Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon imageCLASS LBP151dw printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC. Right click on this PC and click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and properties are open. After that, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Canon imageCLASS LBP151dw printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon. Go to the first link or go to this support. Always goes to the support link with your printer name. I go to the support link. I go to this support link. You can go to the any support link of the Canon. Here we find the official website of the Canon printer. Here we find our printer name. After that, here we find driver software and firmwares. Click it here, and after that go to the drivers. In a drivers, if it's not detect your operating system right, then click it here. And if you find Windows 10 32-bit, if your machine is Windows 10 32-bit, then select Windows 10, only plain Windows 10. And if your machine is Windows 10 64-bit, then click on the Windows 10 64-bit. And after that, these boxes are automatically changes. Here you find now Windows 10 64-bit or the Windows 64-bit and the version number. Click on this link, click on this your printer name, click on this printer driver, okay, and it's redirect to another web page. Click on the download and download is started. Sometime it start on the other website or the other redirect to another website or sometime this kind of box. Okay, after that click on yes. It's asked for the terms and condition. Click on the yes and download is started on our PC or laptop. Here we find download is started. Wait for few seconds. Download is almost completed. Download is completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder and I close it and minimize this website and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay, here we find our Canon official website and we are going to install this printer driver. And these printer driver files are actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple process. Go to this printer driver file, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. It's extracted folder on our desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder, double click on it and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install that drivers. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. Printers and scanners are open. Here we find at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, click on the yes, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click it here and if you find any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find. Select any USB port, click on the next. Wait for a few seconds, click on Havdix, click on browse, go to the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder, double click on it. Here we find UFR II, double click on that folder. Here we find UK English. Here we find 64 X64, then go to the X64. If 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. Our machine is 64-bit, so I go to the 64. Driver. Here we find one file. Select that file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our printer name Canon LBP151 and the name. Okay, UFRII LT. Okay, select that. This is our printer. This is a series printer and include our printer name LBP151dw. Select that printer, click on the next. You can give any name that you like. I give Canon LBP151dw. You can give any name that you like. Click on the next. It's install our printer in 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. Our printer driver is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. After that, our printer is installed. We go to our next step. Our next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon LBP151dw, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.